In this video, we will understand about the document management in Jainam Software. Document management is made extremely simple and configurable. So at different stages like customer onboarding, loan creation, field collection, seizing management, and many other places, different kind of document upload feature is required. So for a specific form or area, you need to have a specific document list. So let's see how it works in Jainam Software. In master setup, document list, this is the area where you can decide what document to show from the master list. So we have a list of most of the required documents. You can select the document from here, and then you can define the source of the document. For example, PAN, driving license, these are the documents which you will need while customer onboarding, and hence you can define the source as customer. Whereas field visit proof required for field collection, so you can define the source as field. And other documents like gold ornament or vehicle related documents, they will be required in the loan. So you can define here loan. Now how you can define or change the source? So you can select the document, for example, PAN, and I define the source as, let's say, field, which means field collection, and update usage. One more thing you can see, journal. Now journal entries are the entries where you can create journal entries, and the transaction proof needs to be updated. So for that purpose we have added here this. So for example, let's say I create any transaction proof here. I add the document first, and then from the list I can select that document and set the usage or the source as journal and update usage. Okay, so it is journal. Now let's see how they are used in different forms. Okay, so we can start with customer. So if I go here and customer create, and let's say if I save any specific customer here, just need to update the Aadhar. So let's say I'm just entering some dummy values. I have saved this. Now I click upload document. Now in upload document, I will see the documents which are marked as customer source. If I go to loan creation, I will see the documents which are marked as loan source. If I go to field collection and upload document, these are the documents added for field. If I go to accounting, create any journal entry, I click cash 500 paid for tea coffee expenses. This should be credit and this should be debit. Let me just clear the fields actually. Let me refresh it again. Then payment, debit, tea coffee expenses 500, and credit, cash 500. And I click save. If I go to reference where I have a provision to upload the documents, so I can see here the tea coffee expenses. I can select this and upload document. Now here it will see transaction proof because it is selected as a journal entry. If I add any file, let's say browse file, and then if I add upload document, it will show the document there. If I click here, then it will show the document. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. There are so many important features in Jainam software which make our day-to-day life very easy and the business very smoothly. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great time.